In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most out of TikTok's Business Suite, a comprehensive tool designed to enhance your business's presence on this popular platform. Let's dive right in and explore how to navigate this incredible suite of features that can help you grow and manage your activities on TikTok efficiently. First, head over to TikTok.com and log into your account. Logging in will give you access to all the features that TikTok offers, including the powerful Business Suite specifically tailored for businesses like yours. Once you're comfortably in your account, shift your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile picture. Click on it and, from the drop-down menu, select the Business Suite. This section is your command center, giving you the tools you need to manage your business presence. As you dive into the Business Suite, you'll immediately notice the homepage, which provides you with a holistic overview of your recent activities. Here you can effortlessly keep track of your latest posts, stay updated on notifications, and analyze performance metrics that can guide your content strategy moving forward. Next, let's navigate to the analytics portion of the suite. This section offers detailed insights into your content's performance and your audience's demographics. Understand how your content is resonating with your viewers, identify what's working, and uncover areas of improvement. Knowing your audience's engagement metrics is key to tailoring content that keeps them coming back for more. If you're seeking inspiration or creative tools, look no further than the Creative Hub. This is where you can explore trending content and find new ideas that align with your marketing strategies. The Hub offers creative tools that can elevate your campaigns and ensure you're always on trend with what's popular on TikTok. For lead generation and management, the Leads Manager feature is instrumental. You'll have the ability to manage and download leads generated through your account's lead campaigns, an indispensable tool for tracking interested prospects and nurturing them into loyal customers. Finally, head over to the settings to fine-tune various aspects of your business account. You'll find options to update your business information such as your name and contact details and manage user permissions through user management. Here, you can invite team members, assign roles, and securely manage access to your business account. Additionally, ensure the security of your account by enabling two-step verification under security settings, and keep an eye on account health to address any potential issues that may arise. And there you have it, a full guide to navigating TikTok's Business Suite. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your business potential on TikTok. Keep exploring, experimenting, and engaging with your audience to make the most of what this dynamic platform has to offer.